Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tools and gadgets. Today, we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. The AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. Now, if you're in the market for the best cordless ratchet, look no further, because we've got you covered. Let's dive right into it, shall we? The AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its powerful torque and superior fastening speed, tackling those nuts and bolts has never been easier. First off, let's talk about power. This bad boy boasts a 12-volt max motor with a whopping 40 ft-lbs of torque. Trust me, that's more than enough muscle to handle any job you throw its way. And check this out, it comes equipped with LED lighting, illuminating your workspace even in the darkest of corners. Plus, with its ergonomic handle and compact design, you'll have no trouble maneuvering this ratchet wrench into tight spaces. Now, let's talk battery life. The AOBEN set comes with not one, but two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, ensuring you never run out of juice mid-project. And with the included fast charger, you'll be back up and running in no time. Safety is paramount, and AOBEN knows it. That's why they've included a heat-sinking feature to prevent overheating during prolonged use. Plus, the backward switch prevents any accidental actuations, giving you peace of mind while you work. So, there you have it, folks. The AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, the best cordless ratchet on the market today. With its powerful performance, long-lasting battery, and thoughtful safety features, it's a must-have for any toolbox. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy wrenching!